Hello guys, welcome to my channel Yari Mughal. I hope you all are well. Today I provide 3.4 GB plus PSD Mockup file. For example, I show the property of them. Here you see 3.42 GB, and now I see the preview of them. For poster mockups, tablet and cell mockups, computer mockups, computer, envelope mockups, and books mockup. At last, t-shirt and cup mockup. For example, I open it. Now you see many layer in layer area. You can edit any of this layer. For example, I just want to replace the logo. Simply extend the mockup layer and then double click on here. Now you see a new document appear here. Simply delete this one and open your image or photo that you want to replace. For example, I open it, drag it and move on this sheet, then adjust it, press enter and then press Ctrl S to save. Now you see your image or text replace here. Same like it, you can edit any of this mockup. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.